Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be cleaning this mess of a fridge. It is gross and disgusting, as you can see. I've been meaning to do this for a long time, so I thought, why not make a video of it? So here's my freezer, and everything is just all jumbled and thrown in there, and it just needs to be organized. So I'm going to start by taking everything off each shelf. We don't have much counter space, so I'm not going to be taking every single thing out of the fridge at once. I use disinfecting wipes to wipe down the shelves, and you'll see later on that when I get towards the bottom I switched to just a washcloth because I realized I was getting low on my disinfectant wipes, and we need those for the groceries that my husband's picking up from Walmart today. So I had to make sure I saved some to wipe down those groceries.
Mommy, look at it.
Oh my! That's a lot.
I'm cleaning the table really good.
Yeah, you are. Haley was in the dining room spraying the dining room table with water. So, because she wanted to help me clean too, and I didn't really need her assistance on cleaning the fridge, so she decided to clean the dining room table. She's such a sweet little helper. Haley's in here helping me clean the table. Haley, you know that's counterproductive because your pants are dirty and your socks. It's better to clean the table when you're standing on the floor. So we keep our paintbrushes that we're currently using, and like we haven't, like I'm painting down in the laundry room area right now, and I'm not finished, so I keep the paintbrushes in my fridge so that way the paint doesn't harden up on it and I can just whip this out and use it.
You came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it.
So you guys gotta check out how disorganized this drawer is here. This is what happens when you let your husband put away your groceries. And it was driving me crazy.
We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those.
So I hope everybody's doing okay being quarantined at home right now. It was fun the first couple weeks, but I do have to say it's been getting harder as the days go on for me. Especially with this gloomy weather here in Michigan. If we were able to go outside more often and enjoy the sunshine, then things would be a lot easier, but hopefully the weather will start changing in the next week or two to being warmer and more sunshine, because that always makes me happy. How are you guys doing? Leave it in the comments down below. Are you working or are you laid off from work at the time? I'd like to know how you guys are doing.
I will always remember it. How you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness.
So guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go follow me. I'm trying to be a little bit better about posting on my main profile, but I do a lot of Instagram stories.
You're making me wholehearted.
I was facing all the sunlight while our feet swung freely from the bridge. The bridge. You asked if I'd save you, if you were crazy enough to take a swim, a swim. I tried to make you.
Oh my gosh, I also have to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I'm almost to 2,000 subscribers and it is surreal. I cannot believe it, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you.
You've been through some kind of heartbreak. All I ever been with you is faithful like a blind girl's dog. Every time I give you love, you still look so doubtful. I'm faithful like a blind girl's I'm faithful like a blind girl's faithful like a blind girl's dog.
I was very shocked to see that a lot of the stuff in my fridge was not expired. Like, I only had to throw away, I think, just one thing out of the whole fridge because it was expired. So that was a pretty good feeling, knowing I've been keeping up on that.
I try to make you see that I would not betray you in a million years. So why, oh why do you still flee when you are all that I want? I can tell that you've been through some kind of heartbreak. All I ever been with you is faithful like a blind girl's dog. Every time I give you love, you still look so doubtful. I'm faithful like a blind girl's I'm faithful like a blind girl's faithful like a blind girl's dog. You got some trust issues, though I admit it's cute, but there's too many disputes with you. Once and for all, just tell me how I can set you free. I need to know. I can tell that you've been through some kind of heartbreak. All I ever been with you is faithful like a blind girl's dog. Every time I give you love, you still look so doubtful. I'm faithful like a blind girl's dog. I'm faithful like a blind girl's dog. I'm faithful like a blind girl's dog. Faithful like a blind girl's dog. Faithful like a blind girl's dog.
You guys, look how much better this looks. And oh my gosh, it just feels so much better having a nice organized fridge. So let me go over how I organized it. I have all the leftovers up here on the left hand side, all the drinks, canned drinks up here in the back, more leftovers. And bread's over here with more leftovers.
Hi.
There's Haley. We're gonna eat her for dinner tonight because she's
Hey.
so cute. Watch out, Haley. Don't put your feet in there. I just cleaned it. Yeah, eggs back there with the hummus. We always have to have our hummus. Then our milk, juice, wine. We've been drinking a lot of that during this quarantine time, that's for sure. Orange juice there. Then we have like our Jello and John's meat snacks there. Yogurt there. Here's our cheese and meat drawer. Cheese, meat, butter, and random ranch dressing dip thing. And in here, I'm getting a Walmart pickup order today, so I'm going to be adding the extra food in here that we get. But it's just our juices, extra juices over here, and yogurt, dairy products, along with a random Lunchable. In the bottom drawer, this is where all my produce that I'm getting today is gonna go. I've ordered tons of produce, so this drawer will be packed full with my produce. Then this is kind of not as well organized, but I have, hey, John's been on this Mountain Dew kick here lately, which is weird because he usually doesn't drink those that often. So anyway, I just have just the random condiments in each one of these. I've been drinking these. They've been getting me through the day a lot here lately. But yeah, just random condiments in all these throughout the fridge door. Okay, now I'm gonna tackle this. And I'm only gonna spot clean in here because honestly I don't think the shelves are too dirty. So if they're dirty, of course I'm gonna clean them, but if not, I'm gonna let them be. Okay, vegetables. So for the freezer, I'm going to organize everything by meat, vegetables, frozen entrees as best as I can.
All night long, yeah. We dance with our razor tongues and all day long, yeah. We reset under burning sun, catching the waves, inhale, exhale. Reminiscing the bygone time, laughter we cry, days flying by, flying by. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah. And you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday.
And of course, my two beautiful daughters had to make an appearance in the video and do some silly dances and silly faces, and I love them too so much. I don't know what I'd do without them. They are my world.
Summer nights with you, sweeter escape, dream wide awake, yeah. Away, love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah. And you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. 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 Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for the day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah. And you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. Yeah, no love on a holiday.
freezer is officially finished. Let's go through. Up here I have all the like frozen meals, boxed frozen meals, and then I have more stuff in bags on this shelf. And then I have more breakfast and bread stuff over here with the random pizza. Down here I have a lot of our frozen veggies. And down here on the bottom I have my frozen bananas for smoothies and all of our meat stuff like salmon, and there's some steaks and stuff down at the bottom. Over here I have our beer mugs. Like this one is a beer that we used to drink in Korea all the time. It's so funny that I found this at a thrift store. And then popsicles, some seeds that I need to plant, and random Hot Pockets and lunchbox freezer things. And then this shelf is empty, which is always a pleasant sight. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a like if you liked it. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here, and we'll see you next time.